Today I'm going to show you how to properly load a dishwasher for best cleaning results. Loading your dishwasher correctly can make or break how well your dishes come out. No more cloudy glasses, food stuck to plates, or half-clean silverware. Here's the best way to load your dishwasher to maximize cleaning, efficiency, and drying. Start by scraping, not rinsing. No need to pre-wash your dishes. Modern dishwashers are designed to handle food particles, but large chunks can cause the dishwasher to clog the filter. Simply scrape off excess food into the trash or garbage disposal before loading. Next, load plates in the bottom rack facing inwards. The plates should go on the bottom rack angled slightly toward the center so the water can hit both sides. Avoid stacking or overlapping dishes, as this blocks the water spray and leaves some plates dirty. Place bowls and cups on the top rack, tilted downward. Bowls, mugs, and smaller dishes belong on the top rack facing downwards so the water can easily reach the inside. If they're facing up, they'll collect water and won't clean properly. Next, position silverware correctly in the basket. Forks and spoons. Place some handles up and some handles down to prevent nesting. With knives, point them downwards. You want to point them downwards because the blade, it's sharp and you might hurt yourself, so it's best practice to point the knives downwards. Wooden or high-end knives. I'd wash these by hand to prevent damage that could be caused in the dishwasher. Next is large items. The large items should be placed on the sides or back. Big items like cutting boards, baking sheets, large platters should go on the sides or back, never in the front of the dishwasher where the detergent dispenser or spray arms can come in contact with them, potentially blocking them. Blocking them reduces the cleaning power. Next, keep plastic items on the top rack. Plastic can melt or warp if placed on the bottom rack near the heating element. Always put Tupperware, lids, and plastic cups on the top rack to keep them safe. Avoid overloading the dishwasher. Stuffing too many dishes in at once reduces the water flow, meaning some won't get clean. If dishes are touching or overlapping, space them out or run an extra cycle. Use the right detergent and rinse aid. Use detergent for the dishwasher. They should be pods or powder, but liquid can also be used, but it's typically less effective. Rinse aid. Rinse aid helps prevent water spots and speeds up drying, especially for glassware. Next, run the right cycle. Use heat drying. For the best results, use normal or heavy cycle for dirty loads. Use the express cycle for lightly soiled dishes. Turn on heated dry or air dry for faster drying, especially for plastics. For a quick recap, for perfect dishwashing, you want to scrape off the food, don't rinse. Load the plates on the bottom rack facing inward. Bowls and cups go on the top rack tilted down. Alternate silverware to avoid nesting. Keep large items on the sides or back. Put plastic on the top rack. Don't overload and let the water circulate. Use the right detergent and rinse aid. Select the correct cycle and drying setting. By following these best dishwasher loading practices, you'll get spotless dishes every time while saving water and energy.